Hello everyone, and welcome to another Coding Fundamentals in GML tutorial. My name is Sam Spade, and in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the GameMaker Studio 2's manual. So why talk about the manual in a Coding Fundamentals series? Well, there's a couple reasons. First, the manual contains a lot of useful information. Many of the things that we're going to talk about in this series are also covered in the manual, and so the manual makes a great reference. The manual also contains a lot of necessary information. All GML functions, you have to use the manual to understand what arguments they take and what they do. And a lot of the specific implementations of various coding principles, you also have to use the manual to look up. Finally, using the manual is actually fundamental to programming. It doesn't matter whether you're using GameMaker Studio 2 or Unity or Unreal, or whether you're learning JavaScript or something else. You're going to have to read the manual for those programs. You're going to need to know how to look things up and solve problems that you come across while you're coding. You can find the manual online. It looks like this. You can also find the manual inside of GameMaker Studio 2 under Help, Open Manual, or by pushing F1. Back to the slides. So that's where to find the manual. Now what can you do to use it? Well, I would say there's two main ways of using the manual. The first way is you could read the manual. That's probably not going to be for most people, but there is one part that I think is worth reading. On the main page, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see GameMaker language, and under that you'll see GML overview. This section right here, I think is worth reading from start to finish. It will cover a lot of the basics of code and how they're implemented in GameMaker Studio 2. However, the primary way of using the manual is as a reference. You might have a function or something you want to look up, and for that you can use the index by typing in the keyword here, such as dsgrid. Or maybe you don't know the exact word. For that, you can use the search. Finally, inside of GameMaker Studio 2 directly, if there is a function and you want to know more about it, you can middle click on that function and it will take you directly to that page in the manual. In summary then, using the manual is fundamental and makes a great resource. As always, links to the slides and source code will be below. That's it. Thanks for watching.